Bearwoodbrown Handyman here, doing a paved driveway repair, just a repair. We're not doing a complete remodel, so I just wanted to show you. And once I turn the vacuum on, you ain't going to be able to hear me, so you'll just have to see what I'm doing by hand. It's only going to be about a minute. That seems to be going okay. Now here's the other thing that I'm doing. I've got a small drill bit, masonry bit in here. I might want to cut that first, but we'll see what happens. Taking it and I can't get to it. I want to cut this piece right here. And then see what happens. Really looks like I should do a little bit of undermining first to give it some place to go. It hasn't got any place to expand to now, so I don't want to get ahead of myself cutting them and breaking them. I want them to go along some sort of angle, so it's worth taking the time to do a little bit more undermining onto those things. So thanks for watching. Continue on. I'll do some more.